Hi, today we are going to present about the how one hotel Copenhagen can create a competitive advantage in sustainability. This presentation introduces a new sustainability strategy for One Hotel Copenhagen, one of the world's most nature-inspired luxury hotel. Although the hotel already has strong eco-friendly practices, the goal of this strategy is to push the hotel beyond the traditional sustainability and transform it into a regenerative, circular, socially impactful, and innovative leader in Copenhagen's highly competitive hospitality market. The entire concept focuses on helping the hotel stand out in a city where sustainability is common by introducing unique ideas that competitors cannot easily copy.
One Hotel Copenhagen is part of the One Hotels brand, which centers its identity around nature, wellness, and environmental responsibility. The Copenhagen property uses recycled materials, has energy efficient systems, avoids single-use plastics, offers filtered water stations, and sources the seasonal products, also include green roofs and beehives to support biodiversity. These efforts give the hotel a strong sustainability foundation. However, despite this strength, many other hotels in Copenhagen already practice similar sustainability actions, which means one hotel must evolve further to stay ahead of the other brands. Copenhagen's sustainability reality shows that basic sustainability is no longer a differentiator because every premium hotel already had certifications and efficiency measures, and guests now expect deeper and more authentic impact. To truly stand out, One Hotel Copenhagen must go beyond being green and shift toward a regenerative community wealth model, one that not only reduces the harm but actively improves local ecosystems, economies, and communities in measurable and more meaningful ways.
A regenerative hotel goes beyond minimizing its negative impact and instead aims to create positive environmental and social outcomes. For example, One Hotel Copenhagen could invest in microforest, pollinator pathways, biodiversity restoration, and eventually aims to become net positive in water or carbon. This approach is important because no major hotels in Copenhagen operates regeneratively. Adopting regeneration makes the hotel truly unique, strengthens its brand identity, and attracts guests who value meaningful environmental actions, giving the hotel a powerful and rare competitive advantage. And a circular system ensures that material never become waste and instead circulates through repair, reuse, and recycling. For example, the hotel could create a textile repair studio or collaborate with the Danish furniture companies on leasing and take back system and convert food waste into compost or byproducts. Circularity is important because the hotel industry, it generates large amounts of waste and very few hotels use fully circular system due to the complexity involved. For One Hotel Copenhagen, this means reduce long-term cost, stronger sustainability performance, and a unique guest experience that competitors struggle to replicate.
We can suggest the hotel to adapt community wealth model because it ensures the hotel actively sharing its value with its local community. This could include like donating 1% of room revenue to local climate and social projects, hiring locally, especially marginalized groups and women's, the migrants, offering hotel spaces for local artisans and entrepreneurs. This approach is important because travelers today want to support socially responsible businesses. For the hotel, this builds emotional guest loyalty, strengthens community relationships, and helps the brand stand out as socially committed, not just environmentally focused. Creating a sustainability innovation lab means dedicating the part of the hotels to testing the new green technologies with universities designers, and some startup companies. This could include testing circular materials, new low energy solutions, food waste innovations, and urban farming systems. This idea is important because innovation is now a key differentiator in hospitality and as an innovation hub. For One Hotel Copenhagen, the benefits include strong media attention, new partnerships, more exciting guest engagement, and a reputation for shaping the future of sustainable hospitality.
Now, our another suggestion is to create a radical transparency, which means trust plus brand power. So, radical transparency means the hotel publicly shares real time sustainability data such as energy consumption, water usage, carbon emission per guest, and waste levels. Most hotels communicate sustainability vaguely, but real transparency builds trust and credibility. It is important because greenwashing is a growing concern. Travelers want evidence, not the claims. For One Hotel Copenhagen, radical transparency would differentiate it as an honest, trustworthy leader and appeal to corporate clients that require verified ESG performance when choosing the hotel. Now I'm going to give some examples about the hotels that are adopting the unique sustainabilities, and and they are doing success as well. So there are some inspiring hotels around the world using the similar unique sustainability models. For example, Fogo Island in reinvest profiles into its local communities. Soneva Resorts uses a carbon levy to fund climate and social projects, and White, White, White Port Eco Luxury Hotels focuses on regenerative, low impact operations. This example shows that bold sustainability not only creates environmental and social benefit but also increase guest loyalty, visibility, and willingness to pay premium prices. This proves that One Hotel Copenhagen proposed strategy is both practical and profitable as well. Now, why I am suggesting these alls because it's hard to copy, because this sustainability concept is hard to copy as they are complex system involving new supply chain partnership, cultural values, community relation, in innovation collaboration, and transparent reporting structure. Because these elements takes years to build, they are very difficult for competitors like Scandic, Marriott, or other boutique hotels in Copenhagen to replicate quickly. This gives One Hotel Copenhagen long-term competitive advantage and protects its leadership position in sustainability. As we know that Copenhagen One Hotel Copenhagen started just 2.5 months ago, and I hope it will be easier for them to adopt these new ideas because they are not totally built, they are not completed yet. That's why it will give them chance to regenerate their hotels by adopting these ideas. So I think these all will help the hotel more.
So, last but not the least, by adopting regeneration, circularity, community wealth creation, innovation, and transparency, One Hotel Copenhagen can transform from a normal, sustainable hotel into a pioneering urban sanctuary. It means a space within an urban setting. It is either intentionally designed or naturally occurring that serves as a haven promoting ecological equilibrium and sustained resource management. So, this new identity benefits the environment, the local community, and the hotel's financial success. It also allows the hotel to lead the future of hospitality in Copenhagen and globally. In simple words, this strategy makes the hotel not just a place to stay, but a place that heals nature, supports people, and inspires guests, something no competitor can easily copy. So,